Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited about tonight's video. So I just got back from Walmart and guess what I picked up, you guys? I picked up 3 things that I've kind of been eyeing for about a good couple months now. So I went to the e.l.f. section and I picked up the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. This is what it looks like. Cute, sleek, black packaging, and it's the matte packaging. And I also picked up the e.l.f. Camo 16-hour camo concealer. And yeah, I got this in the color medium sand. First, I do want to say that e.l.f. does not have a lot of variety of shades for brown girls, which sucks because this foundation is pretty good. Now I can't really recommend it to others. I don't know about the website or if it's just certain colors in stores, but in my Walmart, this was the darkest shade, I believe, that I saw. And then this was the darkest concealer. So I don't know what's up with that. But yeah, I'm going to be reviewing those 2 foundations, those 2 products. This foundation is probably about a shade too dark, too light for me. So in the beginning, it's gonna make me look washed out. But once I, get in with all of my other products, it worked really well. I like the concealer, it turns out nicely. And I really do think that products that are made to go together work better. But a lot of times that's not how it works. Oh, and then I also tried out this e.l.f. lip plumping gloss. Oh, I probably shouldn't have did that because my lips were burning. Like, this makes your lips not burn, but like tingle, like peppermint. So yeah, I'm also trying this out, and everything here was $5. Well, this was $6, and then these 2 things are $5. So super affordable. But anyways, this is not supposed to be a super long intro. If you guys are interested in seeing this review, of course, just keep on watching. Check the description for all products listed, and let's just jump into the video. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to moisturize my face. And I went back to Walmart and I picked up one of my favorite moisturizers. If you watched my previous video, then you guys know I talked about this Equate Beauty collagen moisturizer for day and night, and y'all were supposed to remind me to go buy it, but I remembered. So I'm gonna use this to moisturize my skin before I apply my foundation. And you get a lot in here. And this is actually, I think it was $3 and something. So yeah, and I love this moisturizer, you guys. Can y'all hear that? My husband is watching Michael Myers. Skin is moisturized. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly add my primer, and I'm gonna use the Lancôme Prep and Matte Primer to mattify my skin with my T-zone. Just a little bit around my nose. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go into the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I got the color Vanilla, and on the top of the lids here, it kind of tells you what undertone the foundation is. So I went with Vanilla, and it says light with golden undertones. I want to say the other foundations options that they had at my Walmart, they were for peachy undertones, and I'm not peachy at all. And also there was not a huge selection of colors, so I don't even know if this color is going to match me, to be honest, but we're going to give it a try. So it says this is an oil-free satin finish foundation. So yeah, I like that it's a pull-off lid and it has a pump. I do like the packaging. I feel like it's cute and really sleek. This in here, you do get how many fluid ounces? You get 0.68 fluid ounces for $6. So most foundations you get 1 ounce. I'm gonna go ahead and shake this up. Shake. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I actually just like applying it on my skin just like this. So, okay. Ooh, I'm just gonna do 2. Those are like 2 large pumps too. So I'm gonna do 2 pumps and see what I get with that. It's a little bit too light. It smells like, mm, it kind of smells like cologne. It it smells good. It smells like a man's cologne. Okay, so it looks pretty good on my skin. So that definitely wasn't enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some more on this side. And see, it smells like a man. And I love it. I love that musk cologne smell. It smells like cologne. That's crazy. That is so crazy. So yeah, this is definitely like a shade too light. I don't know, y'all. And I feel like I don't get a lot of coverage. Maybe I'm putting it on wrong. I should have did one side with the brush and one side, but I really like using a sponge. So I'm just gonna put this on where I need more cover. It smells like cologne. I'm tripping out about that. It smells like a man's cologne in a good way. If you're into manly scents, it smells so good. It smells really, really good. Okay, so it's buildable. Coverage. Put foundation under here because I'm going to conceal. So for concealer, I am using the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and I got the shade medium sand, and I saved the box so I can show you how dark the box looks. It's definitely not this dark at all, and I want to say this was the deepest shade in my store. So yeah. First of all, I will say this was only $5, and the tube is really big. I don't know how much you get in here. You get 0.203 fluid ounces. So this is what it looks like. It's a lot of product in there, and right away it looks like my Tarte that I had. It looks just like that. So same type of applicator. Okay, let's see. It's really thick. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for a few seconds, and then I'll come back to blend it all out. I'm taking my damp sponge. Oh, this is gonna be like full coverage. Okay. Oh yeah. Under this eye. That is crazy to me. Put a little bit on my nose. So I do like the way that that concealer looks. It blends out like a dream. And yeah, I like the way that it looks. I do like that. So I am going to take the side that I put the foundation and just kind of blend everything together so it's not, you know, like a harsh line on my face. Okay, so now I am looking pretty ghostly. So I'm going to go ahead and warm my skin back up. And y'all know I like to use my Maybelline Fit Me. Actually, yeah, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me coconut stick. I'm going to warm up my face. And set my under eye concealer and everything like that, and then I will come back and show you my finished face. All right, you guys, so I'm also trying the elf lip plumping gloss, and this is what it looks like. It's super pretty. This is in the color pink Cosmo. So yeah, this is also $5. So as you guys can see, now that I have like all my makeup, my bronzer, all that stuff on, the foundation is looking really, really good. So this is supposed to be a plumping gloss. See her cute. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I must say I am super, super impressed with the elf foundation. You guys tell me what you guys think. How do you think my skin looks? So it was kind of like a rough start because, like I said, I got the color Vanilla, which is probably like a shade and a half too light for me, but once I, you know, contoured and bronzed my skin and added blush and stuff, it just looks really, really good. I really like the smell of it. Like I said, it smells like cologne. So if you're into that kind of scent, then you are gonna really like this foundation because it smells just like a man. This doesn't really have this. I thought this smelled like cologne too, but it really just kind of smells like the Tarte one. Like cologne, you guys. Oh, I like that. So yeah, this is the foundation that I used today. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little, I guess, review. If you like this type of video, make sure to thumbs up this one and subscribe to my channel before you go so you can join the Jazzy family. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.